comes to the second one. Create the Assign Major GiftManager Flow. Right. So now come here. This one. Good. Done. Now we can come here. Just we can go back and we need to create a new flow. Click on the new flow. How to select a record triggered flow. Right. Start from the scratch. Click on the next. Select the record triggered flow. Click on the create. Now, on which object we are creating? That's on opportunity object when the record was created and edited. When the record was created and edited. Now, the condition. So, what's my condition now? What's my condition now? See here. Right. So, this is the name. Okay. See. The major gift manager role. Major gift manager role. Now, you can come here. Right. As a field. Field opportunity type. Opportunity type equals to what's that? Major gift. Opportunity type equals to major gift, right? Only when the record is updated to meet the conditions. That's it. And just have to go for this option, right? The fast field updates. Go for this option, fast field updates. That's it. Then close it here. Next, the next what we have to do. User. Okay. Okay. So now get the user information. Got it. Just get the records. Get the records. What's that? A role, a user. A role, a user. On which object? That's on role object. That's on a role object. Got it. Now, so field developer name equals to. Now you can go to the users. See here. This is the role, right? A manager Bob is there now. This guy is there. Just click on this. View fields. The manager role. This is the role, right? We need to copy this role API, right? So here we have role API. Copy. Now we can come here. What was the value? Manager. Sorry, major gift underscore manager. Major gift underscore manager. That's it. No need to do anything. Got it. So next. So this is what get the role. Next, I want to add one more get element. Get the records, right? So now get the user. Get the user. On which object? On which object? That's on user object. User object. Right? So now, so what's my condition? What's my condition? Right? So, okay, done. Come here. My condition is what? User user role ID. User role ID equals to user role ID equals to role ID from the user. Got it. Here, a role ID. A role ID. Got it. So we got the user information also. We got user information also. So once we got the user information, what we have to do? We need to update the record. Now you can add the update records. Update records. What was the name? Update opportunity. Update opportunity owner. Update opportunity owner. Got it. Right. The next. So I want to set the filter condition. Right. So what was the field? That is a owner ID field equals to owner ID equals to right. So we have the user option is then right. A user from get user. Here user ID. User ID. This is role. User ID. Got it. Right. A user from get user. Then the user ID. Right. So that's it. Right. So we updated the record. Next, what we have to do? So we need to save this. So what's that? Assign major gift manager. Copy. Then click on here, save. Save it. Then you need to activate this. Click on here, activate. Done. So now you can come here, trailhead. Just check this challenge. Create assign major gift manager flow. Check this challenge. Completed.